So we're finally entering the finishing stages. I know I said that last time, but now we're actually at the finishing stage. I have sanded all of the walls. Now we're not at like a level 5 or anything, level 5 finish being that it's flawless. Would I like to achieve that? Absolutely. But do I have the time and patience? Absolutely not. Now, before we can actually start painting and finishing, I need to blow out all the dust because, as you can imagine from sanding and plaster, there is dust on literally everything. Like here's my little security camera. Everything is covered. And I have the air compressor set up. We're going to use compressed air. And yeah, exactly. We're going to use compressed air and we're going to do our best. I'm going to turn on the ventilation, which is working, and hopefully that'll suck up some of the dust from this side, but I'm going to try to blow everything out the door that way. Obviously, this piece of drywall will have to leave. That's for our bathroom. That's an entirely separate issue. We've just finished putting this stuff in today. So this is probably going to be the last process video that we do before we post our updated studio tour video when everything's all nice and done. From here, I'm really happy that we were able to record this process and that you guys were able to follow along, because if you look at the before and the after photos here, it's almost like this isn't the same building. It's very hard to tell. So I'm really pleased. Despite the dirt and the grime, I'm still looking at it thinking like this place has a lot of really good potential, and I'm looking forward to it.